Don't feel like walking, or taking the train, or taking the bus? You can always call for a taxi, but we have something more convenient to get us from one place to another. We have something called Uber. Uber is a car service that is on an app. This app you can download on your phone to request car service. They have different types of cars of different varieties of sizes as well as preferences. Let's get started. You first have to download the Uber app. When you do, you will create an account and it will look like this. Then it's going to ask you where to. This is the place you would type in the address to your destination. If you go to the same destination more than once, Uber will automatically save it for you, or you can save it yourself. If you slide right, this is where you will see your information, your name. You have the option of putting your picture, you do not have to do that, and you'll have a rating. This rating is based on the amount of rides you take with Uber as well as the drivers. And as customers, we get to rate our drivers as well. All this means is that if the driver is a good driver, they drive well, they're polite, the car is clean, etc., you can give them a high rating. If you have a low rating, that is not good. And the same goes for customers. This is also where you can find the amount of trips you've taken, as well as help if you have any questions. Wallet is your payment information, as well as other options. So now let us meet our driver. We use the app to tell us where we want to go, and then the driver will meet us at our destination. It is important to try to be on time. Sometimes there may be a delay with the driver, or maybe you're running late, but there is an option where you can text your driver to let him or her know that you are outside waiting for them or that you're running late. On the app, you will see a map of where they are located. This tells you in real time where the driver is or if there are any problems. This is also the place where you can either cancel a ride, or the driver may even cancel a ride, and then Uber will give you the option to pick another driver. It is now the law here in New York City to wear a mask when you enter an Uber car. However, on the app, they have a feature where you have to check off a box that says that you will comply with the rules by wearing a mask. However, some passengers do not always follow the rules. So this is why the Uber driver has the right to have a sign that looks like this: no mask, no service. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson, and always try your best. Enjoy the ride.